Here are 9 green and 6 white paper plates. Suppose we distribute 2 cupcakes in each plate. How many cupcakes will be there in all? Let's see the different methods to find the answer. We consider the number of cupcakes to be distributed in each plate and multiply it by the sum of the green and white plates. The total number of plates is 15. Then we find the product of 2 and 15, which is 30. We need to find the number of cupcakes in the 9 green plates and the number of cupcakes in the 6 white plates. Then we find the total number of cupcakes. There are 18 cupcakes in the green plates and 12 cupcakes in the white plates. Hence, there are 30 cupcakes in all. Observe that in both methods the result is the same. This property is known as the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now, let's look at another example. 7 boxes are kept on one step and 5 boxes are kept on another step. 3 labels need to be stuck on each box. How many labels are required for all the boxes? We first find the sum and then we find the product. We first find the products and then find their sum. As you can see, the result is the same regardless of the method you chose. Now let's say that of the 12 boxes, 4 are damaged. So, how many labels are needed for the remaining boxes if each box requires 3 labels? We multiply the number of labels on each box by the number of undamaged boxes. First, to find the number of undamaged boxes, we subtract the number of damaged boxes from the total number. Then we find the product. We first find the number of labels required for all boxes. We then calculate the number of labels that would have been required for the damaged boxes. Finally, we find the difference. Notice that the result is the same. This property is known as the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Let's look at another example. First find the difference and then calculate the product. First calculate the products and then find the difference. The result in both cases is the same. We can easily multiply large numbers using the distributive property of multiplication. For example, we can make the process of multiplying 15 by 103 simpler by writing 103 as 100 plus 3. Then, apply the distributive property and find the products of 15 and 100, and 15 and 3. We can add the products to get the final result. Now, you think of a simpler way to find the product of 25 and 99 using the distributive property. We can write 99 as 100 minus 1. Next, we apply the distributive property of multiplication to find the products, and then we find the difference. Think of how you can use the distributive property to simplify this. We apply the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So, we first find the difference and then multiply the factors to get the product. How would you apply the distributive property to simplify this? We apply the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So, we first find the sum of the addends and then find the product.